Hi guys, how are you? I want to get started with our greeting. Now this is going to be a surprise for your parents. Don't tell them. I have a knock knock joke that you can get your parents with. Are you ready? Knock knock. Who's there? Ice cream. Ice cream who? I scream if you don't let me in. All right, maybe you can get your parents with that knock knock joke. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our word work. We're still working on CH. Do you remember what CH says? It goes ch. So let's review some of our ch words. I'm going to put an M and a U. Do we remember the sounds that those make? M says U says and then we can split it, and CH says ch. So let's put those together. Ch. Much. One more time. Ch. Much. I like ice cream very much. Very good. Let's take our M away, and I want to put this letter in front. Do you know what letter that is? That's an S, and it goes S. So let's use that sound. And we remember the U says and CH says ch. So let's put it together. S, ch. Such. You are such a good friend. Such. All right. I want to change this up a little bit, and I'm going to put ch in front. Now, the letters that I want to add in the back are two, oh, you know that letter, O's. And when the two O's are together, they say ooh, ooh. So we have ch, and then O says ooh, ch, ooh, chew, like choo choo. One more time, ch, ooh, choo choo. Good. Now, I want to get rid of my O's, and I'm going to put an I. I says I, it, and I. So we're going to use it this time. And then I have my last letter. That's an N, and it goes N. So let's put it together. Ch, I, N. Chin. One more time. Ch, in. Chin. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and get into our book. This book is titled Buzz Buzz, and it was written by Jennifer Szymanski. Now, let's go ahead and let's do a picture walk right quick. Oh, these look like real pictures, real photographs. Ooh, I see a vocabulary page. Oh, I see the bee flying to the flower in this photograph. Ooh, that's an up-close picture of the bee. Oh, the bee has something all on him. I wonder what that is. Oh, okay. I see a stinger. I see that bees have legs and wings. Ooh, I wonder what that is. Huh. Wow, that looks like a big group of bees. Okay, they're all huddled together. Oh, they're at the flower again. Oh, that bee is flying? Oh, and it looks like that bee is drinking something. I wonder what he's drinking. So what I want us to focus on, and right quick, before your parents come in the room, go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil so you can write. We really want to write. And what we're going to write down is, as I'm reading, I want you to write down some questions that you might have about bees. Good readers always write down their questions, and then maybe you could go to a website like PebbleGo or find the answer to the question in another book if this book doesn't answer it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Did you get your pencil and paper? All right. And as I'm reading, if you have a question, go ahead and jot it down. All right. Buzz bee. vocabulary tree. We got animals, and we're going to be looking at honeybees. What they need to live, they need nectar, pollen, hive, and honey. Oh, I wonder what nectar is. Then what they do, they buzz, they fly, they eat, they drink, and they dance. All right. Buzz, buzz. A bee flies in the air. It looks for a flower. Ooh. I have a question. How do bees buzz? How do bees buzz? That's a question I have. Did you come up with one? There's a sweet treat in flowers. It's called nectar. Oh, so nectar's inside of the flowers. Now we know. The bee drinks. The bee eats its the bee eats. See, good readers go back and reread when they mess up. The bee eats. It eats pollen. It gets pollen to take home. Bees carry pollen in a basket on their legs. Wow, that's a neat fact. I didn't know that. I have another question though. Where do bees live? I wonder where bees live. Maybe this book will tell us. A bee's home is called a hive. Oh, it did answer a question. They live in a hive. Many bees live in the hive. Bees put pollen in the hive. They make honey from nectar too. Once nectar becomes honey, bees put it in a honeycomb. Wow. Very neat. Now there's food in the hive. Other bees can eat the pollen and honey. Do you think this book is fiction or nonfiction? Fake fiction or real nonfiction? This book is real. There really are bees and they really do have hives and make honey. So this book is nonfiction. Very good. In the hive, a bee dances. The dance tells other bees where to find the nectar. The bee moves from side to side. This is called a waggle dance. Oh, wow, that's neat. I have another question, though. I'm wondering, how long does a bee live? Maybe, I wonder where I could find that info. Maybe here, or maybe Pebble Go? The bees fly out of the hive. They look for the nectar. They use the dance to find the right flower. Buzz, bee. My last question is, I wonder, are bees important to us? I wonder. Maybe we could do some research on that on Pebble Go. Try to see if bees are important to us. Nectar and pollen. What are they like? Nectar drips. It's sweet. Pollen is made up of tiny balls. It's like powder. Your turn. Think of a spot in the room. Do a waggle dance to tell your friend how to get there. Then switch roles. Maybe that's a fun activity you could do. Great job today, boys and girls. I'm so glad you read this book with me. And don't forget, those questions that you wrote down, you can get a grown-up to help you get online safely. And maybe you can find answers to those questions that you have about bees. All right, before we go, I have our math facts for us. There you go. All right. Thank you so much for working with me today, and I will see you again later. Y'all be good. Bye.